Canada's most captivating cities, Montreal. Imagine stepping into a world where every street corner tells a story, where the past and future collide in the most unexpected ways. Today, we're peeling back the layers of this cultural gem to reveal 7 mind-blowing facts about Montreal you've never heard before. But before we dive into the wonders of Montreal, here's a question that might tickle your curiosity. Did you know that beneath the bustling streets of this city lies an entirely different world, one that stretches for miles and houses secrets waiting to be discovered? Stay tuned as we uncover this and more, ensuring you'll never look at Montreal the same way again. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler, a history buff, or simply in love with discovering the quirks of our world, you're in for a treat. Let's embark on this fascinating journey together. And who knows? By the end of this video, you might just be planning your next adventure to Montreal. Now, let's get feedback on this introduction before proceeding to the next section about Montreal's underground city. Dive into the heart of Montreal with these 10 fun facts. 1. Bilingual city. Montreal is the world's second largest French-speaking city, but everyone's pretty fluent in English too. 2. City of festivals. It's known as the City of Festivals, hosting over 100 each year. 3. Underground city. Explore the world's largest underground complex right here in Montreal. 4. Birthplace of poutine. Craving poutine? Thank the culinary genius of Quebec. 5. Mount Royal. Montreal is named after Mount Royal, the triple-peaked hill at its heart. 6. Historic architecture. Be awed by the historic Notre Dame Basilica, a masterpiece of Gothic Revival architecture. 7. Home of the Canadiens. Cheer for the Montreal Canadiens, the oldest professional hockey team.